Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
ma'am.
Good
Good morning.
morning. So where were we? We were in Google Sheets. We were creating that football score sheet, right?
I completed writing the football
Okay.
players.
Okay. So I'm allowing you to share the screen. You share and show me what you have done. Okay. One second.
Ma'am, I forgot to change the picture of the FIFA logo.
Ma'am, I couldn't open it only. I tried my best to find it, ma'am. In my email also, I could not find it, ma'am.
What?
And my tab was closed. That
Ma'am, someone changed the title, ma'am.
Ma'am, last class only I
It's okay.
completed the Portugal and Argentina flag in the background.
But one second, one second. Issue chips दे दो इसको. हाँ ठीक है ना इसको chips दे दो ना वहीं से slip पे से. Yeah, sorry guys. हाँ, tell me. Somebody has changed the title, no problem. It's 2021 की जगह 2022 हो गया. Who has removed that title? This is not good. You can't do that. And ये अर्जेंटीना और पोर्टुगल का ये बना दिया, ये भी हमने फीफा का एक लोगो ले लिया. Do you think that it looks good? It looks like a scoreboard. I don't look like a scoreboard. मजा नहीं आ रहा है इसमें. इसको कुछ अच्छा सा बनाओ यार मिलके. Okay.
The background should be one color only. Like if it is blue, then only blue.
Which one is blue? The background, you can create a background in a specific color.
No, but Portugal is red and green, so we can't keep it blue. It will not look
No,
nice.
no, no, ये ठीक है, ये कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. Yes, the background of this, ये जो येलो है ना, ये येलो भी शायद अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है क्या?
Ma'am,
पोर्टुगल के संग the yellow
changed,
color looks very good.
ma'am,
But with
somebody changed the yellow color. I did it for Portugal. I did it to light red, and for Argentina, I did it
please,
to
yeah,
light blue.
you people don't make changes
Somebody is
with
changing
somebody
my
else.
work, and the font is also changed.
This is wrong, na? No one should do this thing. This is bad. Acha, now, last class में who were not getting the chance to edit this worksheet. There may be some students na, who has not got the chance to make the changes in the worksheet. Munib, you didn't make any changes, so you go ahead and create the scores for the players. So यहाँ पर
what we
तुमको
have to do?
you have to make the scores. Munib, you are going to create scores. Okay. So how you are going to create scores with these players? अभी तो पहले इसकी एडिटिंग करेंगे. इसकी एडिटिंग करने के लिए what we have to do? इसको शिफ्ट करो. ये जो वर्सेस वाला है ना, इसको इधर शिफ्ट करना होगा यहाँ पर, या फिर तुम एक सेल इंसर्ट कर लो. तो सी सेल को चूज करके सी कॉलम को you choose the column C and insert one more column over there and two more columns in between. So there will be some extension. There will be some space after number of players, and there you can write the scores for Argentina team. And who is left? Amina, you did some work in the last class, I think.
Ma'am, I put the logo of the FIFA.
Yes. So Abdullah has not done anything. Na? So Abdullah, you are going to write the
Yes,
scores
ma'am.
for the Portugal team. Okay. So uske liye
Ma'am, I
you
don't know the
have to.
scores, ma'am. I don't see. Ma'am, I don't.
स्कोर कितने में होता है? कैसा स्कोर होता है? आई थिंक 10 और 12
मैम आई नो दैट
होता है.
नहीं उतने सारे गोल्स मैम नहीं होते.
कितने होते हैं? 6.
मैम इट्स नहीं 3 to 2
I am 0 on football. I am actually 0 on football.
मैम देयर इज पोजीशन का स्कोर बोर्ड, देयर इज पासिंग एक्यूरेसी का स्कोर बोर्ड, देन हु इज द मैन ऑफ द मैच, who
वो
got more
बाद में
for
डिसाइड
more
करेंगे ना, अभी तो
points.
पर्टिकुलर हर प्लेयर का स्कोर
अरे
डिसाइड
स्कोर
करेंगे
का
ना।
मुनीब, स्कोर का बोल रहे।
स्कोर
Goal
भी
कितने
लिखना
मारे?
होगा ना,
Score का
मेसी
भी
ने
लिखो।
कितने गोल्स किए एंड सेल्सो ने कितने किए, ये सारे स्कोर्स आपको यहाँ पर लिखने होंगे ना, तब तो फिर यू विल
Only
डिसाइड। तो
Abdullah,
इसका
only
स्कोर
goals
कैसे
का
डिसाइड
लिखो।
होता है, जस्ट लेट बताओ अनास, तुमको
Only
पता है ना
goals कितने
फुटबॉल
हैं?
का कितना गोल होना चाहिए?
Ma'am, this was 3 to
edited
2 हो
last.
गए।
अब आयशा या
Ma'am,
this was
3
edited. अच्छा,
और
आउट ऑफ 6 दे दो ना, आउट ऑफ 6 कर दो। नहीं मगर 6 में कैसे, इतने सारे लोग तो एक संग 6 गोल से ज्यादा तो होगा नहीं, कितना होता
Ma'am,
है?
it's a team, ma'am. Ma'am, it's not like they just run, ma'am. It's
अच्छा, तो
they play
पर्टिकुलर
sports.
पर्सन का हम ये नहीं स्कोर क्रिएट कर पाते हैं क्या फुटबॉल में?
Ma'am, we can do, ma'am.
So yes, Anas, tell them how we can do the score of the each team member.
Ma'am, I have an idea.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, we can change this to FIFA 2021 championship and that World Cup. No, sorry, 2018 का that World Cup happened, no? Football का. So ma'am, we can put goals of Messi. How many goals he
अच्छा,
scored
एक
in
काम
that
करते हैं
World
ना,
Cup?
हाँ सही बात है, हम 18 का स्कोर बोर्ड नेट से निकाल लेते हैं और उसी को हम यहाँ पर बना के देख लेंगे, क्या दिक्कत है?
We can put 2018 का Football World Cup का.
Definitely, yes. I'm just Anas, you can just stop sharing yours screen and I'll share mine and फिर मुझे सबका देखने में easy हो जाएगा. Okay. So you just stop sharing yours and I'll share mine and I'll show you the scoreboard also, and then you people create that scoreboard. Football World Championship was happened in 18, na? 2018. Just a
Yes,
minute.
ma'am.
I need to change it. अपना ये ज्यादा ठीक होगा, सब गुटू बना रहे हैं हम लोग को।
Ma'am, this is in the board. It is not looking good.
It's not
Means
looking
it's
good.
not clean.
Yeah. Okay, I'm opening up my screen and we'll just make it.
So we could do like in the V, it is Portugal side, so we can do it blue, and the right side it is Portugal, so then we could do it red.
Yes, we can do that. ठीक है, स्कोरबोर्ड निकालते हैं पहले। बहुत स्लो है मेरा नेट, 2 दिन से बहुत परेशान कर रहा है। ये तो कुछ और है, इसी में बनाया था क्या हमने ये? इसकी जगह इसमें डाल देते हैं स्कोर।
Ma'am, we can put the name of the player, like how many scored, how
हाँ
many goals
वही तो
did.
मैं चाहती हूँ कि तुम एक स्कोर
Ma'am,
बोर्ड बनाओ जिसमें
you
नेम ऑफ
type in
प्लेयर्स हो।
Google how many goals did Messi score in
तो एक
2018.
का
Ma'am, it will
निकालने
show
में तो
you.
बहुत मुश्किल होगा ना।
No, it will not take time. Ma'am, can I search for all players and then I will give you.
हाँ मैं चाह रही हूँ एक साथ मुझे मिल जाए सबको।
So you can put how many goals did each player of Argentina score
देखो ये
in
आया
this
आया
World
आया
Cup
आया
2018?
आया 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 कुछ आया। सी
We have to only find the Argentina and Portugal team.
सच्ची सच्ची जो चीज हमको आती है ना वही करना चाहिए। मुझे लगा तुम लोगों को अच्छे से फुटबॉल के बारे में पता होगा। You people play football in this
Argentina and Portugal
hub
never
school
played in the
also
World
na,
Cup
with
2018.
all the students of hub school also went for football
Ma'am, there is
games.
also one problem.
Yes.
Argentina and World Cup did not play together, like against each other in the World Cup 2018.
बाप रे मेरे को बिल्कुल आई एम जीरो इन फुटबॉल। बिल्कुल जीरो। बिल्कुल भी मुझे नहीं पता है फुटबॉल के बारे में कुछ। ओके व्हाट शुड आई राइट score of
How many goals did
each
each
player in FIFA
the team of Argentina for FIFA 2018
okay
Football World Cup?
Team in FIFA मैं चाहती थी तुम लोगों के कॉमन इंटरेस्ट पे हो। मुझे नहीं पता था कि सिर्फ एक ही दो
18.
बच्चों का कॉमन इंटरेस्ट फुटबॉल है। एक ऐसा टॉपिक बताओ जिसमें सबका इंटरेस्ट हो। कोई एक ऐसा गेम जिसको सब
From World Cup of
जानते
Russia.
हो। वर्ल्ड कप ऑफ रशिया। अच्छा रशिया ले लो।
Yes, it was a World Cup of Russia 2018. Russia hosted the World Cup.
बाप रे मुझे
I mean,
क्रिकेट तो
it is
थोड़ा
same
बहुत
only.
समझ में आता है। ये तो मुझे बिल्कुल भी समझ में नहीं आता।
I mean, it is same only. Click on that.
मैं ऐसा कोई टॉपिक लेना चाहती थी जिसमें सबकी इंटरेस्ट हो, क्योंकि नॉर्मली ये बिजनेस लो और दूसरा कुछ कुछ लो तो तुम लोग भी तो बोर हो जाते हो। बट ये भी सबका इंटरेस्ट एरिया नहीं है। ये तो अर्जेंटीना का स्कोर बता दिया। नहीं मुझे एक स्कोर बोर्ड क्रिएट करने की इच्छा थी। Anyways, let's do something else.
I mean, it was there. It was there. Scroll up.
ये ओवरऑल अर्जेंटीना का ये बता रहा है ना, देखो।
Yes, ma'am. Wait, this see top
तो
scorers.
हाँ तो ये तो टॉप स्कोरर्स हुए। अर्जेंटीना के कितने मैचेस थे, कौन अच्छा परफॉर्मर है, ये सारी चीजें बता रहा है। नहीं एनीवेज लीव इट, हम कोई और टॉपिक पे काम करते हैं। एक और शीट क्रिएट करते हैं और उस शीट पे हम कुछ और करेंगे। दिस इज अ न्यू शीट एंड एक्चुअली मैं एक चलो आज एक टूल बताती हूँ तुमको शीट्स का। देखो मुझे अगर सीरियल नंबर्स लिखने हैं किसी टॉपिक के ऊपर, तो व्हाट आई कैन डू, आई कैन जस्ट राइट 1 2 3 4 एंड व्हाट आई कैन डू, मैं यहाँ पर अपना कर्सर लाती हूँ and I press shift from one hand and down arrow key from the second, and I made this selection of 4 cells, and see I'm bringing up this plus sign at the corner of the right hand corner of the selected portion, and now I'm pressing up the left key, left button of the mouse pointer, and I'm dragging it down. And you can see till as many cell you drag down, your serial number comes by itself. You don't have to type the serial number again and again and again. So you can just make the serial order accordingly. तो एक ये टूल हम बहुत इजीली कुछ काम करने के लिए यूज कर सकते हैं. एडिशन सब्सट्रैक्शन आई थिंक यू नो. हम अगर दो सेल्स को बार बार ऐड करना चाहते हैं, सब्सट्रैक्ट करना चाहते हैं, तो यू नो हाउ वी कैन डू दैट. We keep the formulas in the sheets. Have you learned about the keeping formulas in the sheet? I think you have did that. Answer me. Have you done adding up of some numbers? अच्छा, मुझे एक ही चीज को बार बार कॉपी करना है. Then what I can do, I just select this, come out, I select this, and then if I am dragging it, so the same word will come by itself. I don't need to paste it again and again. So with the help of dragging and leaving, we can copy the same content if we have pressed the copied button, that is Control C, and we can bring the serial number one by dragging and dropping the plus sign. Understood? Understood
Can
the
we
shortcut?
try?
Yes, you will try. You have to try. So सब एक अपनी शीट भी बना सकते हो. ऐसा बना के करना है तो करो. यहाँ पे करो one by one. Don't एकदम लड़ाई
Ma'am,
झगड़ा
can
नहीं चाहिए
you
मुझे मेरी
try
शीट पे.
one time? Can you show one more time? I didn't
Yes.
understand.
See what I did. 1, enter, 2, enter, 3, enter, 4. Okay. Now I want the serial number with the more numbers. So I came to 1. Now I'm going to select 1, 2, 3, 4. To select 1, 2, 3, 4, what I will do? I press Shift key and a down arrow key. It make the selection. Now I left everything. I'm bringing my mouse pointer to the right hand bottom corner of the selected portion. And now what I'm doing, I'm pressing the left button of the mouse. So on pressing that and dragging the content to the downwards, and I'm leaving buttons. So I just got all the serial number by itself.
Ma'am, shift enter. You have to
So,
press
ma'am, we
it.
don't have to write
Shift
so much.
enter name. What I did, I dragged it
Shift down
with
arrow
the
key.
help of shift and down arrow will do the selection part. See how shift and down arrow will help you to select the content. And pressing the left button in the touchpad or the mouse pointer and dragging anything, if there are some numbers, then dragging and dropping the serial orders, the numbers, you will able to just write the serial number by itself.
Okay, ma'am, got it.
So I have to bring this plus sign first, and then I can drag.
Ma'am, first we have to click shift and down arrow key. Then we
For
have to select
selection,
with
see, shift and down arrow helps us to select any content. It is not merely with this thing. Anytime if you want to select anything, you have to press shift and down arrow or left arrow, right arrow. So whatever arrow you press, your cursor will move in that direction and the selection will be happening. And if I want to copy and paste the same content, so what I will do, I will just write the content and Jani. I'll do the selection part. तो इसको select हो गया ये. अभी मैंने copy Control C press किया. Then it becomes copied command. अभी ये plus sign लाया. Again I am pressing the left button of the mouse pointer or touchpad and I am dragging and dropping it over here. So see, the same word will come with n number of
Ma'am,
things.
If
can
I
you
am
share?
doing, ma'am, if I am writing any letters and then I am doing directly left click na, it is copying and pasting.
Yes, it will.
Right.
It will. As I did with
Ma'am, can you
Russia, na,
share the
you can
link
do. Yeah, you can show me.
in the chat box?
Okay.
I am not getting it in my email.
अच्छा, ये इसका एक्सेस नहीं मिला तुमको?
No. I was finding the link, but I guess it went very down because we have so many assignments now. That's why.
So you want the access of this sheet?
Yes.
Wait a
Share
minute.
the link in the chat box.
Wait a minute. Abhi from past 2 to 3 days, na, it is not working very good.
Ma'am,
See,
can you send this link, ma'am? I don't have it. That's why, ma'am, I was trying to find कब से.
I'm sending this link in the chat box, and you just go in this link, and then I'll give the approval from my mail ID. Okay? मगर मेरे पास already पता है 13 participants हैं यहाँ पर, और in another class we have only
Ma'am, my
11
participation
participants.
was there, but I cannot find it only Tesla ka Google Sheet, ma'am. On my email also, I cannot.
Ma'am,
find it.
last
No,
time
no,
I
you
was
don't
on
have to go
voice
to
also.
email. You have to go to your, see, if I'm in this page, the Google page, you have to go. अच्छा हाँ, तुम लोग को तो लिंक से आना पड़ेगा. You can save the sheet in your drive. यहाँ से नहीं जा पा रहे हो sheet में जाने से?
But ma'am, that will take so much space, na? You only said.
कितना स्पेस? अभी तुम लोग के पास डेटा ही कितना है? और ये जो गूगल के एप्स को में स्पेस प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं, दैट्स वेरी बिग स्पेसेस है. अगर मेरा सोचोगे तो फिर मेरे पास तो 7 क्लासेस हैं. 7 क्लासेस के गूगल फॉर्म्स, गूगल शीट्स मैंने सारे स्टोर करके रखे हुए हैं. मेरे से तो कम ही होगा तुम्हारा पास अभी कंटेंट. I have all of yours book in my Google Drive. So that is the space that is provided with from Google itself. And after that, what we'll do after the session complete, we'll delete all the content, whatever is of no use. Just keep one copy of each content for your reference. अभी क्या हो गया इसको? Can't seem to load the app
Ma'am, your
launcher. I
charging
thought
is
try
very
again.
low.
नहीं, चार्जिंग तो वो मेरा अभी चार्जर ही खराब हो
हो
गया.
रहा है.
इट्स अ 10 years old कंप्यूटर, लैपटॉप. सो वो सब डैमेज्ड है. अभी तुम्हारे नए सेशन में मैं नया सिस्टम ले लूंगी, और एंड में तो नहीं लूंगी. एनीवेज, गूगल शीट्स में जाके देखो अब्दुल्ला, तुम्हें मिलना चाहिए.
Okay, ma'am,
जस्ट
I'll
ट्राई ओवर देयर. बाय देन आई विल जस्ट शेयर द लिंक. Yes. Oh, ये तो आयशा पर
I also don't
Wait.
have access. Can you send me email or?
I am sending in the chat box.
Yes, ma'am. Please send the link.
I have sent it the link in the chat box. देखो, अच्छा एक मिनट. Already 13 people are the editor of this. Abdullah, you are already an editor. See, you people can
Yes,
see
ma'am. I
the
got it. I
names.
opened the link. I opened the link.
And I don't think you
I
need
also got
access
it.
again. है ना? मुझे मेरे अप्रूवल की नीड नहीं होगी. तुम एक्सेस कर पा रहे हो ना? I've already approved 13 people. We are only 11%, including me. So I need to give approval to only 10%. But I've already gave approval to 12 students. There are 13 editors of the sheet. I think everyone got the access. Is anyone having any problem? No,
Ma'am,
no,
we
no,
have
no,
to
no,
write
no,
name
no,
of
no.
student, email, ID, hobbies, and name.
Sorry. Yeah, that is there in the sheet one, na?
Okay, I will write.
See, this is the sheet one where you people had wrote your email. This is the fee pass sheet, and this is the another sheet that we are using right now. You can have n number of sheets at a particular place, right? So understood this new tool of Google Sheet. So उसके लिए मैं चाहती थी एक शीट प्रिपेयर हो तो हम उसमें और नई नई चीजें क्रिएट कर सके. Now see, you can import some data from some other file and you can create the things over here. You can also make the copy of a sheet. देखो अभी मेरे को यही शीट का कॉपी चाहिए और इस शीट में मुझे कुछ चेंजेस भी करने हैं, पर मैं नहीं चाहती कि मेरा ओरिजिनल शीट खराब हो जाए. तो what I can do, see how we can copy a sheet. Everyone please pay attention. I am bringing my cursor in the sheet I want to copy. I am pressing the right button of my mouse pointer, of the mouse or the touchpad, and see, I am writing the copy. and copy. If I want to make a copy in the existing spreadsheet, I'll do that, and it will make a copy of itself in the same sheet. Otherwise, I can make the copy of the sheet in some other, I can create a copy in new spreadsheet also, existing spreadsheet also.
Ma'am, can you show again if we have to write one word, then how we'll copy in each?
Wait a minute. Yes, we will press the right button of the mouse or the touchpad, and when I'm clicking to new spreadsheet, it is copying the sheet, and it is already copied, and it becomes sheet number 7. I think 6. Oh yeah. अच्छा ठीक है, ये एक डिफरेंस है एक्सेल और इसमें। एक्सेल में हम यहाँ से कॉपी करते हैं तो यहाँ पे एक और कॉपी क्रिएट हो जाता था, अभी ये क्या हो गया, नई शीट में चला गया है। तो देखते हैं हम हमारी नई शीट कहाँ पे है। तो मैं नए टैब में चले जाती हूँ, यहाँ से मैं अपनी शीट वाले इसको ओपन करती हूँ जो नहीं हो पा रहा है मेरे से, और मैं कैसे जाऊँगी, फिर यहाँ पे शीट लिख के चली जाती हूँ। चल ना भैया, चलो ना भैया। क्या है, नेट इतना बकवास टाइप से चल रहा है। I really hate this. जल्दी जल्दी काम नहीं होते तो मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आती। Today I logged in. It takes me around 5 to 6 minutes to log in. See what we have did. We have copied a spreadsheet, right? ये वाला spreadsheet हमने copy किया था, और ये देखो untitled spreadsheet के name के accordingly मेरे पास नई sheet के form में आ गया। Now I can make the changes and it won't affect any changes in the original sheet. Got it? So we don't have to create the same sheet again and again. If you want the content of the same spreadsheet, I can create it in the one more copy of it by pressing the right tab over it. Another thing that we can do is एक तो ये हुआ, एक हम क्या करने वाले थे, we want to make a copy in the existing sheet. So okay, we will make a copy in the existing sheet also. अभी देखो एक और बहुत अच्छा कमांड हमारे पास है इसमें, यहाँ पर this sheet, I want to make a copy of this sheet in the existing sheet. I am pressing the right button of my mouse or the touchpad and I am making it a copy. I am making a copy of it to the existing spreadsheet. अभी जब मैं ये press करती हूँ, then what it asks? It asks me which existing worksheet I want to make the copy of it. So many sheets I am available with and I want to make a copy in which sheet. So let us suppose if I am taking it in the ICT column chart, So now it is copying the sheet in the ICT column chart. And when I will go back to that place, I can find this same sheet over there also. Got it? So we can take one content of one sheet to another sheet also. We can make a copy of the same sheet as a new sheet also. ICT कॉलम चार्ट में हमने डाला था ये शीट को. तो क्या होता है जब भी हम ऐसे रिपोर्ट्स बनाते हैं ना, तब हमें इन चीजों की बहुत जरूरत पड़ती है. हमें एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पर कॉपीज लेकर जानी होती है और उन्हें इधर से उधर मेल करके मूव करना मुश्किल होता है. दिस इज द डिफरेंस दैट मेक्स इन स्प्रेडशीट एंड एक्सेल. देखो मैं कॉपी ऑफ शीट में जा रही हूँ, तो आई एम गेटिंग द कंटेंट ऑफ योर ईमेल आईडीज एंड यू जस्ट माइंड इट. मैंने पहली बार में जो कॉपी किया था दैट वाज वो फीफा का शीट था, और दोबारा मैंने जब कॉपी किया तो ये तुम्हारा ईमेल वाला शीट था. So it takes whatever sheet you want to make the copy of, then you can make it. Abhi, now I'm showing you if I want to make a copy inside this particular sheet only, then what I can do. I'll just press the right tab and I will duplicate it. So as soon as I click in the duplicate, it create one more. See, copy of FIFA 2022. So inside the same sheet, inside some existing sheet, or making in the form of a new spreadsheet, we can create copy in 3 modes. Okay. Got it? Any problem, any doubt? So you people are able to create copy of
Ma'am, can
any
you
sheet?
show that one which you were showing that if you write Russia over here, then in all the cells it will come? My
Oh.
internet was bad.
Yes. So what I will do, if I want to make a copy of the same content again and again. अच्छा, हम ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ एक ही word को कर सकते हैं. We can make more words also. Like, अरे ये क्या है?
When someone is spamming yes, then I took the whole
Ah.
spreadsheet, then I'm deleting it.
You people,
That is Mohammadi. His name
you
was
people
written.
start playing with my thing. Achha, now I want to make the copy of these 3 contents. So what I'll do, I'll press the shift key, down arrow key. I've selected these 3 words. I'm bringing out the, I'm just making control C. I've selected, I've made the copy, and now I bring that plus sign, pressing the left button of the mouse pointer or the touchpad. I'm just dragging this and see the 3 content will come again.
Ma'am, Control C you did, right?
Yes, control C.
After
Control
shift.
C creates
Ma'am,
the copy
when
of
I am
something.
doing shift down arrow now, then it is going when I click with the mouse. Like the
Click
selecting
with
is
the,
going.
हाँ, आप mouse से भी select कर सकते हो, कोई problem नहीं है. With the left arrow. देखो ऐसा भी selection होता है. और फिर plus sign लाओ और फिर drag कर लो. Okay. वो प्लस साइन लाना पड़ेगा. अच्छा, one. So today I have told you how to make the copies of something. अच्छा, अभी मुझे ना इस sheet में I want to change this word stone. I don't want this word stone. So what I will do, I will
Ma'am, it is not happening. Can I show?
what is not
Can
happening.
I share that thing which you told? Can I share my screen?
Just a minute. I'll stop sharing mine. Then you show. Yeah, sure.
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute.
Sure.
Can you see?
Yes.
I'm writing copy over here and then I'm also writing copy over here. Then when I do shift and down arrow key, then I bring my cursor here, and then I take it down, right?
नहीं करो एक बार, चलो लीव इट, नहीं होता कुछ भी।
It happened.
हुआ 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 हाँ, चलो ठीक है, अच्छी
But
बात।
when I did like that now, and then when I do shift and down arrow key, then when I do right click now, which option should I select?
Copy. Copy.
Oh.
Copy option. No, not the paste option. Copy option. And then you will drag the plus sign with the help of the plus sign.
But the plus sign does not come.
Come, it will come. It will come. It came. वहीं पे उसको घुमाओगे तो आएगा।
Yes, got it.
And drop.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. So this is what we have did. अभी ये तो मैंने तुम्हें उस दिन बताया था हम एक रो कैसे लगा सकते हैं। देखो, one row has came in between. We can even delete some particular row from the if in between I found that this row is not of any worth, so I can delete the row. I can delete the column as well. So see, I can delete a particular cell also. ये cell नहीं चाहिए, बस एक ही cell नहीं चाहिए, तो I can delete this particular cell. तो अभी देखो मेरे को कहाँ क्या करना है, सेल ऊपर ले जाना है, नीचे ले जाना है, whatever I want I can do it with clicking the right button of the mouse pointer or the touchpad. देखो अभी क्या हुआ, यहाँ पर कोई changes नहीं आए, बट यहाँ पर जो blank space था खत्म हो गया. So how it happened? We deleted the cell from the only one column and one row. Only one cell has been removed. So these many editing things we can do, and we can also write some comment about a particular word.
Ma'am, we
Actually,
can
what
also
happened?
add note to one cell.
Sorry.
We can add a note.
Yes, this is what I am writing. It is a comment. Actually, sometimes what happened with a particular word, I want to write some hidden note. I don't want to show it in the chart, but if at the time when I am discussing that chart, I want some reference of it. So I can write some comments with it. And as soon as I click into the sheet, and so I can just show, I can just see the comment. इसको देखेंगे हम, नहीं आया था इसका कमेंट, इसका 1 मिनट, ऐसा होता है पता है जब when we create the account details in the sheet, basically Excel or MS spreadsheets, these all tools help us to create our account summaries. So with like मैंने किससे कितने पैसे लेने हैं और किसको कितने पैसे देने हैं उसका डिटेल अगर मैं यहाँ पर लिखती हूँ तो I have to write something hidden note like उसका एड्रेस क्या है या उसको रिमेम्बर करने के लिए मेरे पास क्या चीजें हैं. तो for that we normally write the comments over here.
Ma'am, yes, we can do auto sum.
Yes, we can do auto sum also.
But I don't see the option. Like
No, it's there. It's the most important tool of this software. ये देखो ये क्या है? यहाँ पर देखो.
yes, ma'am.
There are
Yes.
so many options for you. चलो करते हैं. Now do the selection. Move one more tab. Go with the functions. Make the sum of it.
I mean, this we can find average
See.
also.
हाँ. This is one more tool that we had with the help of a spreadsheet. We can use so many functions all together. वहाँ पर मुझे ये functions create करने पड़ते थे Excel में. यहाँ पर ये
And
सारे functions available
was
हैं. And
no
देखो,
sign.
we have the functions of arrays also. We have the functions of databases also, dates also. We can use so many functions. Google की भी मेरे पास बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. So all the functions we can use if you know how to, what is the use of those functions. You can even count the things. So, देखो अभी maximum निकाल के देखते हैं. 320 is the maximum value. Minimum निकालें इसका. Select the sheet numbers and find out the minimum value. See, on selecting the minimum button, we will get the minimum value. You have to press enter. So this is the minimum value. और क्योंकि यहाँ पे मैंने ऑटो सम किया था ना, तो ये 3 को भी ऐड करके वैल्यू को 324 बना दिया. Yes.
It is showing is equal to sum L4.
Yes. हाँ, वो शो करेगा ना, क्योंकि वो फॉर्मूला है. अगर मैं ऑटो सम यूज
Yeah, it
करती
shows the
हूँ,
formula, and
it
then
will
when I
show.
do enter now, then it will come.
It will show the value. So it happens in
But
Excel
now,
also. Yes.
one thing is oh, my camera.
Yeah. Tell
Get
me.
off. Get off. Yes. Yes, ma'am. 1 minute. I'm sharing the screen.
Mm-hmm.
Can you stop screen share?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Do.
See, ma'am, when I'm doing now, I do 7 plus 8 plus 5 plus 6 plus 8. Then when I'm selecting shift and down arrow key, why is not happening?
वो तो डाउन एरो छोड़ देते हो तो वो आगे बढ़ जाता है और ऊपर का सिलेक्शन हट जाता है, या शिफ्ट बटन छोड़ देते हो.
Yes, I selected one more cell. Then I
You
will
don't need
go
to select one more cell in this case.
No, for
Okay, fine.
no, for the total now, then it will come over there now. So when I do sum now, so it does not comes in the empty space. It comes after 1 line.
Yes, this
After
is
one
what I'm
line.
saying. You don't need to select an empty space as well as we do in MS Excel. We have to just do it like that only. How many cells we are
So
using.
it will come.
It will
there
take
only.
automatically by the upcoming empty cell. Because वो space तुमने लिया है तो वो सोचता है कि वो space तुम vacant रखना चाहते हो.
Oh, I'll try one more time.
So in the next class, I'm going to ask everyone about these.
Yes, ma'am,
things.
got it. The sum I got it.
Okay.
30.
In the same way, you can find the average. In the same way, you can find the maximum value or the minimum value, or so many tools I've shown you. So I hope you have understood these many functions, these many features of MS Excel sheet, spreadsheets, Google spreadsheets, and in the next class, we'll discuss some more tools. Was it an interesting thing we have learned today?
Yes.
Just go ahead and try some more contents. And by then I'll find out one good sheet for you and I'll paste the sheet and then we'll practice content of the sheets. Okay. Chalo. So this is all for today. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.